What's up, guys? So today we're going to be doing the AC, the Schrader valve on both sides, the hot and cold, whatever, high side, low side, whatever it's called. So I'm just going to be replacing this and this one because this one leaks. So it's all hooked up and everything, the belt's on. So yeah, show you guys how to do that. So you got one fat end, one small end. So you're gonna do the small end here. Obviously this is empty if it's leaking, but if it's full and you're trying to replace it, definitely do the proper way to remove it all. Okay, come on, get it out. There's that one. There's that one. We'll replace that one. That one was from that. And there's that one. So we'll go get the other ones because those came in today, and we'll put those in. Okay, so they're in there. All you do is you just tighten it back up. Not too tight, just decently. I'm just gonna put the caps back. Oh, no. And then what we'll do is we'll fill it back up and see if it leaks. Alright, so everything's good. Just put a little bit of Freon in. Didn't have too much, but it's winter, so yeah, works great. And the next part, we're going to be cleaning the interior, which is not really too bad. It's just mainly dusty. If you can't see that, dusty, vacuum it out, get the change, and just clean everything and make sure everything is clean. Stay tuned. Alright guys, in this part of the video I'm going to show you how I detail the interior of my car. First I'll be vacuuming, then I'll be doing some windows and some Armor All stuff. I'll show you the stuff real quick on what I use. I'm going to use this for the windows, and then I'm going to use that for pretty much everything else. And the towels I'm going to use are right there. They're all I have. Everything else is dirty, so I'm just going to use 2 old shirts of mine, and yeah, we'll put you guys on a little time lapse. I'll update you midway through, show you how it's going. Alright, so vacuumed, looks a lot better. Still have to clean it with protection stuff. Looks better. Now I gotta do the other side, and then I'll check back in with you guys whenever it's all done. Alright guys, so finished up, show you guys how it looks. I didn't do the windows, I'm terrible at them, but I wanted to wait to wash the whole car to do the windows, so yeah, I'll wait a little bit to do the windows, but the interior is completely done. Show you guys. It's completely clean. Now this right here, I couldn't get too detailed in it. I mean, I could if I took out the back seat, but it's all clean. May not be able to tell on camera, but it is a lot cleaner than it was before. Then you get the outside looking like crap. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed the little video of me putting in the AC and cleaning the interior a little bit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.